Welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoWolf. Today we're gonna take a look at how to earn yourself $6 in rewards in less than 5 minutes. So pay attention to this video. Also, I want to remind every single one of you, 2 days left until the Rebus airdrop will be live and we can claim our airdrop. I'm excited for that and I hope it's a big one. Let me know in the comments. Is it gonna be a big one, a small one, or a medium one? What do you expect? What are you thinking? Will it be ready on the 15th or will it be delayed? Let me know in the comments. And also the Stride airdrop is coming the end of the month of September. Make sure to stay tuned, put on your notifications because I will be dropping a live crypto tutorial step by step on how to claim Stride, Rebus. And today we are talking about how to earn yourself $6 rewards in less than 5 minutes. Let's get it. As I showed you before on this channel, you can earn €10, $10 very easy, very quick by just using my link, signing up to Coinbase, trading over $100, then you will receive $10. You can withdraw the 100 and you have $10 profit. That's how simple it goes. So make sure to take advantage in time. But today we are taking a look at the learning rewards because right here on the channel, if you click playlist, click make money online crypto, you will find 4 videos, free NFT, claim your sandbox tokens. This is from the learning rewards. Here we have some other learning rewards, also 2 tokens. And here we have the $10 if you sign up and trade over $100 volume. So that's all we need to know to make some crypto online in less than 5 minutes. But today, let's get into it. First of all, we have XCN. We are gonna learn about this, answer the questions, and earn ourselves some $3 in the token. And for the people that are laughing with the $3, keep on laughing, man. Keep on laughing. Because I had some tokens that I have earned $3 back in the day in 2020 and it went up as high as $90, 30x. So keep laughing. You don't have the long-term vision. You will never get wealthy or rich. That's what I promise you. It sounds a bit rude, but I'm tired of it that people are laughing with earning $1 or $3 for free, but they are working more than 30 minutes for $3. Like, what are you laughing? Let's get into it. Come on. You can see right here they will give some explanation about the token, what it's about. Make sure to read this very carefully so you can answer the right questions. Let's skip this a bit through. You can see I read really fast. That's just a joke, but we need to be a bit fast, you know? Alright, which of the following services is not offered by the chain? Let's just gamble today. Man, we are right. All right, let's get it. We are right. Make sure to remind the answers so you can put it in immediately and then you even earn $6 more faster than less than 5 minutes. Isn't that great? All right, take quiz. Come on, not gonna waste too much time. How many XNN tokens are allocated to the chain DAO treasury? No idea, but I'm guessing 1 billion. No, 10 billion. All right, next one. Chain is committed to powering Web3 infrastructure and bridging the physical realm of entertainment. Nice, nice. I never heard of this chain XCN, so I will definitely take a look into that one if it's onto Coinbase. It's about creators. What does chain help brands, creators, and entrepreneurs do? Build their offerings using blockchain. I'm guessing the second. All right, nice. So that's done. We have earned $3 in XCN. Very quick, very fast. This was like 1 minute 30 seconds. All right, close. Up to the next. Now we have Near protocol. Start the lesson. I have a bit more knowledge about Near, so let's just take the quiz right away. Let's see if it's true. Let us test our knowledge. Connection trouble. All right, try again. Try again. Try again. What is Near? Decentralized Finance Protocol. How do you mean? All right, next one. As you can see, sometimes we think we know more, but we don't. Take quiz. What can the NEAR token be used for? To interact with apps and participate in governance on NEAR. Next question. Anyone can build on NEAR, come on. What format does NEAR use for wallet addresses? A string of 5 alt numbers, natural language, just a first and last name? I'm guessing the first one. Is that last one? No? This one. Alright, continue. Yeah, you see, it's not hard if you want to earn some money. Just click, 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 pam, $6. That's how it goes. Now we have $6 into the pocket. And maybe in 10 years from here, it both does a 100x. This is $600. So keep your short-term vision with you and have a long-term vision if you're into crypto. Let's get it. So now let's take a quick look at our assets. If we received the $3 in NEAR and XCN, let's take a look. Yes, we received this one. Where is the NEAR one? It's coming. It's on the way. And people, don't forget, take your $10 in free crypto. Use my link, sign up, trade over $100 volume, and you have $10 in the pocket. What are you waiting for? Let me refresh the page. Very quick. We have a lot of energy today. Let me know if you like that. I want to see that more on the channel. All right, we have NEAR protocol, $3, and we are done. We have $6. Very quick, very fast. If you want to see more of this, leave a like, leave a subscribe, put a comment. Don't forget to put on your notifications, and I will hope to see you into the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.